Many businesses today are forced to invest in complex, expensive, and time-consuming networks and management systems. This is because of the growing demand for wireless mobility and network security. These solutions might not be ideal, certainly not for all small and medium-sized businesses. At Zyxel, we had a vision of a much simpler way that became Zyxel One Network. Zyxel One Network unites the full Zyxel commercial range, from wired and wireless infrastructure to security gateways and firewalls. Zyxel One Network comprises three main components to deliver a simple, smart, and integrated network management experience. The first component, the Zon Utility, is a software to discover all Zyxel networking devices at once at one single unified interface. Detected devices can be firmware upgraded, given new IP addresses, rebooted, and more. The second key element, Zyxel Smart Connect, simplifies maintenance further by letting you reach every network device to make further setup. See connected devices such as access points or factory reset them. This will reduce the burden of network management with as much as 50%. The third key element of Zon is the integration of the access point controller technology. This integration ensures affordable, scalable, license-based access point management, simplifying Wi-Fi setup and expansion by reducing the number of devices that need to be purchased and configured. The integration of the Zon Utility, Smart Connect, and the AP controller technology marks the beginning of a new, user-focused model of networking, where repetitive tasks are eliminated and lengthy troubleshooting processes become a thing of the past. And the most important part, the Zon Utility is completely free. Zyxel One Network, redefining network integration.